Good morning, dear student. Myself is Raju Mali, Assistant Professor of People Education Society, BBA and BCom College, Ugarkhod. Dear student, today I am going to teach you FIFO method, first in, first out method. Under this method, goods issued first are issued in the order in which they are issued. It means the goods in stock are out of the recent purchases. Dear student, related to FIFO method, there is one problem. Today, I discuss with you about FIFO method. This is a problem. Calculate by FIFO method of inventory valuation. Inventory valuation means how much stock is remaining. Calculating is called as stock valuation. Calculate by FIFO method of inventory valuation the cost of goods sold and the value of closing stock from the following data. This is problem, dear student. January 1st, opening stock 1000 unit at rupees 20. June 10, purchases 750 unit at rupees 25. June 15, purchases 600 unit at rupees 22. June 20, sold 1300 unit. June 25, sold 750 unit. June 30, purchases 700 unit at rupees 25. June 30, sold 750. This is problem relating to FIFO method, first in, first out method. You have to prepare stores ledger account. This is the format of stores ledger account. See this problem. After you have to solve this stores ledger account under FIFO method, first in, first out method. Which is first lot, you have to send out that amount. It is called as FIFO method. So in this problem, first transaction related to opening stock. It was the last year closing balance, this year opening balance. This year opening balance you have to carry it forward to directly balance column. So this is the format of FIFO method. First column date, second column receipts, issues, balance. Receipts. In the receipts column there are three sub columns: quality, rate, total. In the issued column there are three sub columns: quality, rate, total. In the balance column there are three sub columns: quality, rate, total. In this problem, date is given, transaction is given, unit is also given, rate is also given. Seeing this problem, you have to prepare stores ledger account. First transaction, January 1st. It is the opening balance. It is the opening balance. Directly you have to enter in balance column. 1000 unit, rate is 20. So 1000 into 20 equal to 20,000. First transaction is over. Second transaction, June 10, purchases 750 unit at rupees 25. Dear student, whatever coming in you have to enter receipt column. Whatever coming in you have to write receipts column. So purchase is how much? 750. Rate is 25. So 750 into 25 equal to 18,750. Then you have to copy this amount, 1000 into 20 2000. Then you have to copy this amount to balance column also. So 750 unit into 25, 18,750. Then June 10 is over. Then June 15 purchases 600 unit at rupees 25. Whatever comes in, you have to write receipts column. June 15 600 unit purchases into rate 22. So 600 into 22, 13,200. You have to copy this amount, particularly 1000 into 20 is equal to 20,000. Then copy this amount, 750 into 25, 18,750. Then copy this purchases amount also, 600 into 22 is equal to 13,200. Next, June 15 is over. Next, June 20 sold 1,300 units. Dear student, opening stock and purchases unit and rate is given, but sales rate is not given. This is the FIFO method, which is recently issued. You have to take that amount. In this problem, what is the first lot? 1000. Sales is how much? Total sales is 1,300 is there. So you have to touch first lot amount, because it is the FIFO method, first in first out method. Whichever comes first, you have to send out that amount first. It is called as FIFO method. So 1000, you have to take that amount. 1000 into 20 is equal to 20,000. Then total sales is 1,300. You have taken 1,000. Remaining how much? 300. Then you have to touch second lot amount, 750. So remaining how much? 300. Total 1,300. 300 you have to take that second lot rate, 25. 300 into 25, 7,500. Then remaining balance how much? 750. From 750 you have taken 300. Remaining how much? 450. That rate 25 is equal to 11,250. Then you have to copy this amount also, remaining balance 600 into 22 is equal to 13,300. 13,300. Next, June 25. June 25 sold 750. Whatever send out, you have to enter in issued column. Whatever send out, you have to write in issue column. Total sales is how much? 750. This is the FIFO. You have to write in issued column. You have to write in issued column. It is the FIFO method. That's why you have to touch first lot amount, 450 into 25. Total 11,250. Total sales is 750 is there. Total sales 750. Already you have taken 450 from first lot amount. Remaining how much? 300. 300 you have to touch second lot amount. You have to take 300 from 600 amount. 300 you have to take 22 rate. 300 into 22, total 6,600. Remaining balance how much? Already first lot amount is over. Remaining 600 minus 300. Remaining how much? 300. You have to take that amount. 300 into 22, total 6,600. Next, June 30 purchases 700 unit at rupees 25. Whatever coming in, you have to enter in receipt column. This is related to purchases, so you have to enter in receipt column. Quality 700 unit, rate is given in the problem. 700 into 25, total 17,500. what is the remaining balance? You have to copy this first amount. You have to copy first lot amount. 300 into 22 is equal to 6,600. Then copy this amount also. 700 into 25, 17,500. Next, June 30 sold 750. So it is the related to sales. You have to enter in issue. Whatever send out, you have to enter in issue column. So total sales is 750. You have to touch first lot amount. You have to take first 300 and that rate also. 300 into 22, total 6,600. Remaining how much? Total sales is 750. So already you have taken 300 from first lot amount. Remaining how much? 450. 450 you have to take from second lot amount. 700. In that 700 amount you have to take remaining balance only. Remaining balance how much? 450. 450 into 300, total is equal to 750. Sales is how much? 750. So 450 into that rate. 450 into 25, total 11,250. What is the remaining balance? First lot amount is over. Second lot 700 minus 450 is equal to 250. Remaining how much? 250. You have to take that rate also. 250 into 25, total 6,250. It is the FIFO method. It is very easy, dear student. You practice and watch carefully. It is very easy. It is the first in first out method. Whichever comes first, whichever comes recently, you have to send out that amount. It is called as FIFO method. Thank you.